Do you feel that your skin lacks radiance? Well, if your answer is yes, then adding exfoliation to your skincare routine could help. Besides adding a healthy glow to your skin, exfoliation can also help with a number of other skin-related issues. But before you explore this important step in your skincare regimen, you must know how to do it right. So here's all you need to know about exfoliation and how to go about it. Depending on how exfoliators work, they can broadly be categorized into physical or chemical exfoliators. So let's start with physical exfoliators. Physical exfoliators use mechanical motions like rubbing or scrubbing that are used to slough off the dead skin cells. This method usually gives immediate results as it not only removes the dead cell debris but also enhances blood circulation of the skin. But while using a physical exfoliator, it is important to remember that they are a stronger form of exfoliation and can cause irritation or dryness if not done correctly. So you should also check that your store-bought scrub does not contain large particles which can cause micro tears or small cuts on your skin. The next type of exfoliators are chemical exfoliators. Chemical exfoliators use mild acids or enzymes to dissolve away the dead cells and other deposits on your skin surface. While chemical exfoliators are gentler and give slower results, the results are long-lasting. Chemical exfoliators contain AHAs or BHAs and are safe to use up to 3 times a week, but it is always recommended to do a patch test first to confirm that the product does not cause any irritation or harm. The Strup's 2% salicylic acid is a gentle yet effective BHA that unclogs the pores and reduces the appearance of blackheads and whiteheads. While following a skincare routine, an optimum exfoliation regimen adds glow, giving you a healthy and youthful skin. You should consider carefully before choosing from the range of options available to exfoliate your skin. Also, take care not to overdo it, as over-exfoliation will result in skin irritation and redness. So let us know how regularly you exfoliate your skin in the comments section below.